Today we're gonna test a $1 versus $400 drone. And for the $1 one, well, you can't buy a drone with $1. So what you're gonna do is multiply it by 40 and test the $40 Goofy drone. Look at this drone. It's not, I don't know if you can even consider this as a drone. It's literally an helicopter. Like, bro. Okay, so you told me I need to put the battery in?
Yeah.
Like, okay, so the battery goes underneath. And it's already very goofy. Nah, bro, $40 for this, low key. I wouldn't pay $40 for this just by seeing it. Okay, so we're gonna start by the stability test. By the way, there's a lot of wind right now, so it's gonna be hard for the small drones, for the cheap drones. Yo, damn, bro. Is it cooked? Is it cooked?
Nah, don't worry, bro.
Okay.
Let's do a second.
Second try for the stability test.
I won't trust any shit.
Whoa, damn. Bro, it's getting way too close of me, bro. Nah, this drone is goofy as hell, bro. It's crazy, bro. So now for the camera test, well, we can't really test this one because as you can see, it has no cameras. It just has a goofy light, and it's not, bro. I don't know if you can even call this a light, bro. It does barely no light, bro. Which brings us to the second one. So now we're gonna test the speed test. So this drone can go up to, you told me 10 kilometers per hour, right? If you think that this drone is cool, which I don't think you think it's cool, well, yeah, stay till the end of the video to see how good is the last one. Okay, perfect. You can go, bro. Bro, it won't even start. Okay. Oh, whoa.
That's max speed, bro.
It's actually the max speed?
Yeah, bro, the wind is too hard, bro.
Nah,
Wait.
I wouldn't even pay $40 for this. So compared to the last one, which was from Direct, now we got the Ifuriet 12 FPV drone. And this drone, well, it's mine. The last one was my cameraman's, and it cost $80. By the way, these are the last subscribers that got subscribed to the channel. So if you want your name to appear on this list on the next video, make sure to subscribe right now and check the next video coming out next week. Now it's time to test out the drone. So we're gonna start by putting the battery in, and right after that, we're gonna turn it on. It won't even turn on. Okay, look, maybe you see, I don't know if it's clear on camera, but there's blue lights and green light, which means that, well, it's turned on. So now it's time to test it. Okay, so now we're gonna start by the stability test. Okay, should I make it go up? Bro, it's so hard. Like, bro, I can't even get it up. Yo, this drone is so goofy. I think it's goofier than the last one. Let me just, was that weak? So the audio doesn't work on the drone camera, but as you can see, this is the quality, and the contrast is way up. So right now I'm doing a voiceover of this clip, and as you can see, the camera has a way higher contrast than any other cameras that you will see on a drone, which makes it difficult to see at night, and that's a big issue of the camera. But the camera is still okay. I mean, it's acceptable when you're in the day. So as you've seen, well, these drones they're really not worth it. Like $80 for a drone that is not even working, and $30 for a goofy drone that we can't even control well. So now we're gonna pass to the real one, the real goat of the drones, the DJI Mini 4K, worth $400. This is for sure gonna be the best drone in this video, and we're gonna test it out. Okay, so now we're gonna put the battery in, and then we're gonna test it out and turn it on. It's already way more clean than the other ones, bro. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying, bro. Damn, bro. It's actually insane. Now it's time to test it out. Now we're gonna do the stability test to start. Whoa, the drone's already way more stable. As you can see, even with the wind that we have, it's not even moving a single centimeter. I could put my phone really next to it. Look, we can even push the drone. Damn, bro, that is crazy. This drone is really stable. So now we're gonna pass the camera test. I don't know if you heard my cameraman here, but this can go to 52 miles an hour. But we can't put it at full speed because 52 miles per hour is a lot of speed. Okay, so now this camera is like a gimbal. Look, turn it. The camera is still gonna face at the direction that we told it to face. So this is why this drone is worth $400, because it has a gimbal inside the camera, which is totally insane. So now we're gonna go for the speed test for the last test of this video. Oh damn, it is so fast. It's way faster than the two other ones that we had. Look at this. So the best drone of this video was clearly the $400 one, which absolutely blew my mind. And surprisingly, the second best one was the $40 one, because it was actually working. The controller was working. I think that this drone, which is going to be in third place, is actually the drone itself. It's better, but the controller is way better on this one, which makes that we can control it well. So that's all for this video, guys. Really thank you for watching, and if you want to see a video of this in this concept, click this video right here, and YouTube thinks that you would like this video right there and can subscribe there. Thanks for watching. See ya, guys.